Welcome to the Science and Health channel. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We bring you the latest health news for you. Do you have a problem like this? Do you know what to do? Then watch this video. Your child doesn't want to brush their teeth? Many parents have the problem that their children do not want to brush their teeth even once in their lives. We have collected a few tips that will make it easier for all parents to motivate their children to brush their teeth. 1. Increase the fun factor. Making brushing their teeth a fun game by involving a favorite toy or doll can make it more enjoyable for children and encourage them to participate. 2. Toothbrushing songs and rhymes. Using songs, rhymes, or even a toothbrush dance can add an element of joy and help children associate brushing their teeth with something positive. 3. Hand puppets and child-friendly stories. Incorporating hand puppets and storytelling can visually engage children and teach them about the importance of oral care in a playful and interactive manner. 4. Explain in a child-friendly way. Since brushing teeth may seem mundane to children, it is crucial to explain its significance in a way that is easy for them to understand, emphasizing the connection between oral care, health, and avoiding dental problems. 5. Be a role model. Parents can set a good example by brushing their teeth alongside their children, as children often imitate their parents' behaviors and routines. 6. Rituals and consistency. Establishing a fixed ritual for brushing teeth and incorporating it into daily routines can help children develop habits. Consistency is key, and making no exceptions to the brushing routine reinforces its importance. 7. Not punishments, but rewards. Instead of using punishments, it is more effective to offer rewards to motivate children to brush their teeth. Positive reinforcement encourages a positive attitude towards oral care and fosters a sense of accomplishment. But the most important thing is to be patient. Brushing your teeth is also a learning process that takes some time. Keep this in your mind and take care of your child's teeth well.